Hi everybody, Lizzie here from My Ambitious Art. Thanks for joining me here today. Today's video is going to be the completion of my buddy Artemis here, who I started last summer. He's been covered up from the fall until the spring because it's been really wet in the Pacific Northwest. And he survived all that, and now it's time to complete him with some more detail and some color and make him the king of my forest with peace and love. So without further ado, let's get going. First things first, he's got a lot of cleanup. He's got some cracks. He's got a little bit of mold there that I need to take out, probably sand it out. Ooh, there's a deer. He's got a little bit of cracking and he's got a little bit of mold. I'm going to sand all that away and give him some more detail. I'm going to peel some bark off the bottom because it's really loose. So after I do that, then I can get some more detail with the chainsaw and the little mini chainsaw. So let's just begin. I think his nose is a little bit flat. I'd like to give him some more depth in his face and just define him a little bit better. Well, this is about as much detail as he's going to get. I'm going to do a little bit of light sanding, and I'll get my compressor to blow off all the dust. Then I can get some sanding sealer on the parts that won't be stained, and then stain the parts that will be stained. And then after that's done, I'll put an exterior coat of polyurethane to keep it protected for a couple years. So now I'm just going to give him a little bit of white on his hair, just to show that he's a wise old guy. Well, I reckon he is about as much colored as he's going to get. What I'm going to do now is give him a spray coat of spar urethane. It's exterior, so it prevents mold and that kind of thing, and it'll be good for the outside. So I'll be doing that right now. Well, we've come to the end of another project, and I'm very happy with the way Mr. Artemis has turned out. He's full of life, full of color, and is a great addition to my little forest wonderland here. So I just want to say that I appreciate all of your input, your great comments, your good advice, and your support for my channel is most appreciated. I hope you will look forward to more fun project videos in the future, as I am also thinking of new and creative things that haven't been done before, and I hope you will look forward to watching those in the future. So that being said, I am going to leave you with some really happy thoughts for the summer. Have a good time, be creative. Most important, be creative. And join me again for the next time. Thanks again. Bye.